Thank you, organizers, for giving me this opportunity to be here. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and all attendees, good morning. I am Iqrar Hussain, CEO of KIP Oil and Gas Infrastructure Limited, an upstream onshore drilling company established in 2005 with its corporate office in Gurugram, Haryana. We are one of the largest onshore drilling company in India and a leading oil and gas service provider specialized in onshore drilling rigs, workover rigs, as well as onshore 2D and 3D seismic data acquisition. Today, I am going to talk on digital transformation in onshore drilling rigs. In last 25 years, how this transformation has taken place in drilling. From year 2000 till now, as well as on the future of digital transformation. Commencing my speech from year 2000, now from 2000 to 2010, which we can call as the decade of foundations of digitalization, wherein we witnessed PLC-based automation, basic SCADA systems, event data recorder and electronic displays, MWD and LWD tools, but limited uses. In the Indian context, during this period of last 10 years, of this 2000 to 2010, we saw that ONGC and Oil India started pilot installations of SCADA and EDRs. Although manual brake handles, air-operated controls, and analog instruments is still widely used, yet basic computer-based drilling reports were introduced. Means the reports coming from the drilling sites, they were introduced during this decade. Moving in next half a decade, year 2010 to 2015, which we can call as the time of real-time monitoring and partial automation, wherein we witnessed sensor networks, auto drillers, and human-machine interface, that is HMI panels, limited remote monitoring. In the Indian context, during this period of 5 years, we saw that AC VFD rigs were equipped with touch screens, PLC panels, and semi-automated pipe handling were deployed. LWD and MWD tools saw increased uses. Real-time dashboards introduced in some regional offices for internal performance tracking. Now, the next half a decade, that is year 2015 to 2020, which we can call as the time of integration of artificial intelligence, cloud, and robotics, wherein we witnessed cloud-based drilling optimization, predictive analytics, advanced pipe handling automation. Earlier it was manual, so this automatic pipe handling automation was introduced during the period. In the Indian context, during this period of 5 years, private giants like ONGC service industry introduced analytics platforms on Indian projects. Private E&P operators started using predictive tools in KG Basin. ONGC worked with IBM for artificial intelligence-based optimization. Few startups began providing machine learning-based decision support tools. Remote access to rigs became more common, but still hugely challenged by poor connectivity in remote areas like Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Northeast areas. Now, the golden age in digital transformation of drilling industry, that is 2020 till date, which we can call as the era of emergence of the intelligent rigs, wherein we are witnessing IIoT, that is Industrial Internet of Things, and edge computing. High-density sensor arrays track vibrations, torque, fluid flow, environmental parameters at the edge. Artificial intelligence and machine learning integration, predictive maintenance that detects likely failures of top drives, mud pumps, and other systems which we use in drilling rigs. Automated parameter optimization, dynamically adjust weight on beat, rate of penetration, and RPM. These are the parameters used in drilling rigs. Anomaly detection alerts operators about stuck pipe kicks or wellbore instability in real time. Digital twins, virtual replicas simulate rig behavior, support diagnostics, and reduce trial and error. Remote drilling operations centers, that is RDOCs. Central teams monitor support rigs across vast geographical distances. Augmented reality and virtual reality for training and maintenance, that is AR, VR. Augmented reality overlays guide technicians during repair. VR simulators train crews off-site. In the Indian context, during this period of 5 years, we saw that ONGC launched digital oil field projects incorporating digital twins and centralized analytics. A private players piloted artificial intelligence-assisted autonomous drilling in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Rigs now permit VPN-based remote access to HMI systems and drilling control panels. Today, we can call rig a technology-powered digital rig, which have the following automations, that is auto drilling system, which optimize weight on beat, rate of penetration, and reduce human variability. Rig control automation, PLC and HMI, integrated control of drawworks, mud pumps, and top drives equipments used in the drilling rigs. IIoT sensors and edge devices monitor equipment health and performance metrics. Well site information transfer specification and its markup language. This standardized real-time data flow across the system. Digital mud logging, enhanced fluid monitoring and kick detection which comes from the well. Robotics, pipe handling and maintenance tubular connections. AI ML algorithms predict failures, suggest drilling parameters. Digital twins simulate operations and support remote diagnostics. Cloud and remote platforms, real-time collaboration and data visualization. VR AR interfaces, training guided maintenance and safety skills. The impact of this in drilling operation will be improvement in drilling efficiency, that is 15 to 25% improvement in rate of penetration. Rate of penetration means how fast drill in the formation. Fewer unplanned events. Improvement in safety, automation and AR reduce exposure to dangerous tasks. Downtime, that is non-performance time. Predictive maintenance and real-time alerts lower equipment failures. Data visibility, transparent, centralized access to drilling KPIs. Training, VR-based simulators improve crew readiness. And cost control, less work, optimized resources use, and better planning. Now, we need to discuss the challenges we face in digitalization, as sir said. Legacy rigs, large number of mechanical or analog rigs is still in use, old rigs. Skill gap, shortage of digitally skilled personnel at rig sites. Connectivity issues. Remote fields struggle with real-time data transmission. Cybersecurity risk, more connectivity increases exposure to attacks. High initial investment, small operators face difficulty in adopting expensive automation. Prices, which is main factor, rates, expectations in India doesn't allow for players to invest in digitalization. However, if we overcome these challenges, the road ahead would give us fully autonomous rigs, hybrid digitalization, indigenous innovations, multi-skilled forces, performance-based rig contracts. To conclude my speech, India's journey in digital rig transformation reflects a steady rise in foundation, automation to intelligent, self-optimizing rig platforms with ONGC and oil, private E&Ps, technology provider driving the transition. The future of Indian onshore drilling lies in smarter, safer, and more autonomous rigs. Continued investments in connectivity, skills, and digital infrastructure will determine how fast India can realize this transformation across its entire onshore rig fleets. With this, I come to an end of my speech. If you have any questions regarding this, we can discuss in the question session one-to-one. You all have been a wonderful audience and attentive listeners. Thank you very much.